Creating content with a natural human voice has always been a challenge, especially if you don't have access to professional recording equipment or voice actors. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. This AI powered platform is revolutionizing voice generation by producing realistic, human like voices that sound expressive, clear, and engaging. Whether you're creating podcasts, audiobooks, social media content, e learning modules, or marketing videos, ElevenLabs allows you to generate professional sounding narration with just a few clicks. What makes ElevenLabs stand out is its advanced speech synthesis technology. Unlike traditional text to speech systems that sound robotic and monotone, ElevenLabs captures tone, pacing, and emotion. It interprets punctuation and sentence structure to deliver speech that feels natural and fluid, making it sound like a real human is speaking. This level of realism is ideal for storytelling, tutorials, or any content that relies on engagement and clarity. Another powerful feature is voice cloning. You can record a short sample of a real voice, and ElevenLabs will replicate it, allowing you to generate new content in that voice consistently. This is perfect for creators who want a unique, recognizable voice for their brand without needing to record every episode or video themselves. You can also create custom voices to match the tone and style of your content, whether it's warm and friendly, bold and energetic, or calm and professional. ElevenLabs' realistic voices are also versatile across multiple applications. For social media, you can produce compelling voiceovers for short-form videos and reels. For e-learning, you can narrate lessons and tutorials in a way that keeps students engaged. Even for podcasts and audiobooks, these AI voices can handle long-form narration while maintaining a natural flow, saving you time and effort without sacrificing quality. Of course, it's important to review the generated audio, especially for technical terms or fast-paced scripts, to ensure clarity. While AI is incredibly advanced, subtle nuances or highly emotional content may still require fine-tuning. Nevertheless, ElevenLabs delivers some of the most realistic AI voices available today, making it a game changer for creators and educators alike. If you found this video useful and want to learn more about leveraging AI for your content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.